today. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to find the common difference or the number of terms of the given arithmetic sequence. Meaning, paano mo hahanapin si common difference kapag siya ang nawawala? O kaya naman, paano mo hahanapin si number of terms kapag siya ay nawawala? Or, pwede rin namang ang hahanapin natin is any terms of the given sequence. So, please, pakinood itong video na to para malaman nyo yung easiest way for us to find this missing terms. Example number 1. If the third term is 13 and ninth term is 37, what is the common difference? In this case, let us find first the given in this question. Let us have the given. So we have the third term, meaning we have here a sub 3 is equal to 13. Next, we have the ninth term. We have a sub 9 is equal to 37. And then, we are going to find for the common difference, which is D. So, that's the question. First, we are going to let a sub 3 as your first term, then a sub 9 as your last term. So, ganun yung gagawin natin para makuha natin yung common difference. So, ang formula pa rin natin is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Since a sub 1 to, yung a sub 3 natin, since siya yung pinakauna natin, that would be the first term. So, you will let a sub 3 to becomes a sub 1. So, yung a sub 1 natin, magiging na siyang 13. And our last term, which is a sub n, si a sub 9, magiging na siyang a sub n, which is, we have here, 37. Now, paano natin mahanap si n? Kailangan nating mahanap si n. So, from 3 to 9. So, magbibilang ka from 3 to 9 para makuha natin yung common difference. So, start tayo kay 3. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have 7. 7 terms are involved. Did you get it? So, ganun lang kasimple. Para makuha mo yung n, bilang ka from 3 to 9. So, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, meaning we have 7 terms involved in this problem. So, you have your first term, which is 13. You have the last term, which is 37. And then your n, which is 7. We can now substitute na. So, your last term, or a sub n, we have here 37. Change mo na dito. So, it becomes 37 is equal to your first term, it becomes to 13. Plus, your number of terms, we have here 7. Then, minus 1. Then, multiplied by the common difference, which is the missing. So, D lang yan. Then, simplify. You have here 37 is equal to 13 plus, subtract 7 minus 1, we have 6. 6 multiplied by d, we have 6d. Huwag mo nang paghiwalayin. Pagsamahin mo na siya. Afterwards, transposition tayo. Transpose mo lang yung 13 to the left side para matira na lang dito ay yung may d. So, it becomes 37. If you transpose, change the sign, it becomes minus 13. It is equal to, ang natira, we have here 6d. Afterwards, subtract mo lang. So, 37 minus 13. Ang sagot dito is 24 is equals to 6d. Afterwards, divide mo lang both sides by 6 para matira mo ay d na lang. Cancel 6. Now, 24 divided by 6, the answer here is 4. So, this is now your common difference. Tapos na. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, you will let your first number o yung pinakamaliit na number as your first term, and then yung pinakamataas mong given, that would be the last term. So, how will you check your work? So, let us have this one. Start tayo kay 13. You have here 13. So, 13, the common difference is 4. Ang common difference natin ay 4. So, 13 plus 4. Ang sagot dyan ay 17. Pag inad mo ulit kay 4, that is 21. Next, we have here 25. Next, we have here 29. Next, we have here 33. Next, plus 4, that is 37. So, ang pang 7 term natin is 37. Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, that is your A sub 7, that is 37. Is it clear? So, our common difference is correct. Okay? Now, let us have more examples. Number 2. Which term is negative 39 in the sequence 33, 25, 79, and so on? So, let us have the given again in this sequence. So, since we have here a sequence, meron na tayong first term. Makita mo na siya, that is 33. Next, sabi niya, which term is negative 39? So, using negative 39, that is your last term. So, that is your A sub n, negative 39. Ganun lang. And then, afterwards, let us have the common difference. For us to find the common difference, subtract mo lang to. So, you have here 9 minus 17. So, 9 minus 17, your common difference, which is negative 8. So, this one is negative 8. So, that's your common difference. Ngayon, which term? So, ang hinahanap natin, yung n natin. Kung pang ilang term nga ba, si negative 39. So, what you are going to do, we have your formula again. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by d. So, A sub n is your last term, that is negative 39. Just write it, negative 39 is equal, for the first term, you have here 33 plus quantity. Ang nawawala natin is the number of terms, which is n minus 1 multiplied by your common difference, that is negative 8. Yan. Then, si 33, lipat mo na sa kabilang side. So, negative 39, then it becomes negative 33. Is equal to, this one, since we have a binomial and a monomial, you are going to distribute. Mumultiply mo yung negative 8 dun sa binomial mo. So, negative 8 multiplied by n, it becomes negative 8n. Next, negative 8 times negative 1, it becomes positive 8. Yan. Then, after that, simplify mo to. Negative 39 minus negative 33. Then, the answer here is negative 72. Negative 72. Just add lang. 39 plus 33, we have negative 72. Then, yung positive 8 mo, lipat mo ulit sa kabilang side. So, it becomes negative 8. It is equal to negative 8n. Ayan. So, since negative siya, gawin natin positive siya, pagpalitin natin ng pwesto. Yung negative 8n, lagay natin dito. Then, yung negative 72 minus 8, lagay natin sa kabilang side. Para maging positive na siya parehas. Or, simply, ano mo na siya, ito ay simplify na natin. Ito ay negative 80. Just add. Is equals to negative 8n. O, pagpalitin na lang natin. So, it becomes 8n is equals to positive 80 na. Then, divide both sides mo na by 8. By 8. Cancelled out. So, ang n mo is 10. So, meaning, si negative 39 is pang 10 term. O, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, paano mo i-check kung siya ba ay pang 10 term talaga? So, magmano-mano ka. We have here 33, 25, 17, 9. Alright? Ang sunod sa 9, plus minus 8. Kasi we have here negative 8 as your common difference. Minus 8. So, meaning this one is 1. Minus 8, that is negative 7. Minus 8 ulit, that is negative 15. Minus 8 ulit, negative 23. Minus 8 ulit, that is negative 31. And minus 8, that is negative 39. Tingnan nga natin kung pang 10 term siya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama. 10 term. Yan. So, that is how will you check if your answer is correct. Pwede kang mano-mano. Basta alam mo yung kanyang common difference at saka first term. Is it clear? Now, let us have another examples. Number 3. Find the 9th term of the arithmetic sequence if the third term is 15 and 7th term is 7. So, again, this one, para tong katulad nung una nating tanong. So, yun nga lang, ang hinahanap natin ay si 9th term. So, for us to find this one, kailangan natin makuha si common difference. Okay? So, let us have the given. In your given, you have here the third term. So, a sub 3, we have here 15. And then, the seventh term, that is a sub 7, we have here 7. Okay, we are going to find for a sub 9. So, how will you find it? Find the common difference. For us to find the common difference, you will let this a sub 3 as your first term and then a sub 7 as your last term. So, ganun lang siya. So, let a sub 3 be equal to a sub 1. And let a sub 7 be equal to the last term, which is a sub n. So, for the first term, we have it becomes 15, and then for the last term, it becomes 7. Now, how many number of terms are involved? In the first term to last term, since we have start from 3 to 7, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the number of terms involved, we have 5. N is equals to 5. Yan na yan. Kompleto na. Now, let us now apply your formula. A sub n equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, your last term, which is 7, just substitute, is equal to your first term, it becomes 15, plus quantity, your n, we have here 5, minus 1, then the common difference. Kailangan natin makuha to para makuha natin si 9th term. So, we have here, okay, just simplify. 7. Si 15, transpose mo na, magiging na siyang negative 15 na dito. Is equal to 5 minus 1, the answer is 4. Multiply by d, we have 4d. Yun na. Then, 7 minus 15, that is negative 8, is equal to 4d. Then, divide both sides by 4. By 4, cancel 4 here. So, ang d mo na ngayon is negative 2. Ngayon, may common difference ka na. Pag may common difference ka na, pwede na nating makuha si 9th term. Okay? Since ang 7th term mo, ang a sub 7 mo ay 7, ang a sub 8 mo, then a sub 9 na. So, 7 minus 2 na lang. The answer here is 5. Then, 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. So, that is your 9th term. Okay? So, a sub 9 is equal to 3. Alright? So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So, dapat tatandaan nyo, para makuha mo yung other terms, you will let other terms as the first term and the last term for us to find the common difference. Kasi kapag may common difference ka na, madali mo nang makuha kung ano yung hinahanap nating term sa arithmetic sequence. Okay? Let's have another example. Number 4. If the 4th term is 24 and 12th term is 56, what is a sub 1? So, another term na naman yung hinahanap. So, we need to find for the common difference. So, maglelet ulit tayo dito sa ating given. So, ang ating given, we have here 4th term, which is a sub 4 is equal to 24. Then, we have here a sub 12, which is equal to 56. We need to find for the first term. So, let muna natin. Let a sub 4 be equal to a sub 1. Then, we are going to let a sub 12 be equal to a sub n for the last term. So, this one is 24. This one is 56. So, from 4 to 12, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have here 9. So, the number of terms involved is equal to 9. So, ayan na. Now, let's have your formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, naglalet tayo para lang makuha si common difference, ha? So, your last term, we have here 56, is equal, for the first term, we have here 24, plus quantity, ang n mo ay 9 minus 1 times d. Then, transpose mo na si 24. So, 56 minus 24 is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 times d, we have here 8d. Yan. So, 9 minus 1 is 8 times D, we have 8D. Then, simplify. 56 minus 24. The answer here is 32 is equals to 8D. Afterwards, divide mo both sides by 8 para makancel yung 8D na lang ang matira. So, then divide. 32 divided by 8, your D here, we have here 4. So, this is your common difference. Since may common difference ka na, makukuha na natin si first term. So, start ka kay A sub 4 na lang. Ang A sub 4 mo ay si 24. So, A sub 3, A sub 2, A sub 1. Pabalik tayo. So, since ang common difference mo ay 4, and then pabalik tayo, subtract mo. 24 minus 4, ang sagot dito is 20. Minus 4, the answer here is 16. Minus 4, the answer here is 12. So, this is your first term. So, your A sub 1 is 12. Alright? So, ganun lang siya. Then, let us have the last example. Number 5. A sub 1 is equals to 3, D is 2, A sub n is 25, and you are going to find for n. So, what term is 25? So, we have your formula again. Ayan na tayong given. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied by D. Let us substitute. Our last term, we have here 25 is equal your first term, we have here 3 plus then the number of terms is missing, so n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is 2. Yan. Transpose mo na si 3 sa kabilang side. So, 25 minus 3 na siya is equal to. Then, distribute 2 n minus 1. 2 times n, that is 2n. Then, negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. Then, simplify mo to. 25 minus 3, the answer is 22. Then, it is equal to 2n minus 2. Then, si negative 2, lipat mo na sa kabilang side para n na lang ang matira. So, 22, then negative becomes positive, so plus 2 siya. So, it is equals to 2n. Then, 22 plus 2, the answer is 24. So, it is equal to 2n. Then, divide both sides by 2. By 2, cancel mo yung 2. Therefore, your n, we have here 12. Meaning, si 25 ay pang 12th term. Is it clear? So, that is how will you find for the missing common difference and the number of terms of the given arithmetic sequence. So, hopefully, meron po kayo natutunan for this video lesson. So, thank you for watching.